The cost of malaria and diabetes drugs is likely to reduce with the commissioning of the largest pharmaceutical plant in East and Central Africa this July in Athi River, Machakos County. The 8.7 billion shillings facility by Square Pharmaceuticals Ltd, a Bangladesh firm, targets to produce more than 2 billion tablets and capsules annually.
Square Pharmaceuticals Kenya EPZ Ltd, an investment of Bangladesh-based Square Pharmaceuticals Ltd, is set to open a manufacturing plant at EPZ Athi River in July. The 8.7 billion shillings facility that sits on a 15-acre farm is in the final stages of getting operational licenses from the Farmers and Poisons Board. This will enable it to start full commercial production of malaria and diabetes drugs and other essential medicines. Once operational, the plant is projected to lower the cost of medicines in the East African region, as it will export 50% of its products to other African countries. The pharmaceutical plant is expected to generate about 500 jobs for skilled and unskilled workers. Industrialization Cabinet Secretary Betty Maina urged other potential investors from Bangladesh to take advantage of Kenya's conducive business environment and set up manufacturing facilities in Kenya. The Bangladesh firm will also share with Kenya its extensive knowledge in pharmaceutical production and the required requisite skill sets, including collaboration with the Kenyan universities for training of industrial pharmacists. This in addition to the clinical pharmacists that Kenya is currently training to assist in management of modern pharmaceutical plants. Square is among a number of pharmaceutical manufacturers investing in new manufacturing in Africa in response to drug and vaccine supply shortfalls exposed by the pandemic. Caroline Jenga, Full Prime Edition.